Many people want to write a book, start a journal, create content, or share their story. But they never begin because they feel overwhelmed. They believe they need the entire plan ready before writing the first sentence. They think they need the perfect structure, the perfect idea, the perfect timing, and complete clarity before they can start. Because of that pressure, they stay stuck thinking instead of creating. But writing does not begin with perfection. It begins with one clear step. The biggest mistake new writers make is trying to figure out everything at once. They think about titles, chapters, editing, audience, publishing, design, and whether people will even like their work before they have written a single page. That creates mental pressure and turns writing into something stressful instead of meaningful. The truth is simple. You do not need to know the entire path before you begin. You only need to know the next step. The first step is not writing the entire book. The first step is choosing one idea. Ask yourself, what do I want to say? Who do I want to help? What message keeps returning to my mind? What story, lesson, or experience feels important enough to share? When you slow down and focus on one idea at a time, writing becomes easier. Your mind becomes clearer. Instead of carrying the pressure of an entire project, you begin working on one small piece. That small piece becomes progress. Overthinking usually happens when writers expect themselves to have all the answers immediately. But clarity often appears during the process, not before it. Many successful writers did not begin with a perfect plan. They began with curiosity, emotion, or a single idea they could not stop thinking about. The Domino Effect Writing System is built around a simple principle. Progress happens one step at a time. You do not need to complete everything today. You only need to begin with one domino, one idea, one sentence, one paragraph, one small writing action that moves you forward. Small steps create momentum. Momentum creates confidence, and confidence helps writers continue without fear or pressure. Every page you write teaches you something new about your voice, your message, and your direction. The more you write, the clearer your path becomes. Writing becomes difficult when you try to control the entire journey before taking the first step. But when you focus only on the next sentence in front of you, the process becomes lighter and more natural. One domino leads to another. One page leads to another. Over time, small actions create something meaningful. You do not need to be perfect to begin writing. You only need the courage to start before everything feels ready. If you are ready to stop overthinking and finally begin writing with more clarity and confidence, start with one small step today. One idea can change everything.